Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can use your Android smartphone or tablet as a microphone with your laptop or your PC. So let's get started. So first of all, there are only two things you need to download. The first one is WO mic driver for the Windows. So we'll go ahead and download this one. So we'll click it, we'll download this on desktop. The link of this web page is given in the description below. Okay, after this is download, we want to download the WO mic client for Windows this time. So let's just go ahead and download this as well. So we'll download it. Okay, once both of these are downloaded, you should go ahead and install it. The process is simple. You click on the setup and you click next. So nothing special there, just install them, both of them, the driver and the client. So once you have installed the WO mic client, you will see an icon like this, you will see an icon like this on your desktop saying WO mic client. So let's just go ahead and open it. So right now, as you can see, it is showing disconnected, right? So we will go to advanced, and there are two important things here. The control port should be 8125 and the media port should be 49152. So it is simple, just bear with me for a minute. So enter these two. Okay, so control unit should be 8125 and your media port should be 49152 and your buffer size should be 3, and you click OK. Then what you do is let's head on to your smartphone. So we'll go to Google Play Store and then we will click and search WO mic. So let's just install it. So okay, now let's just open it. Okay, so now we'll go to settings. We'll click on settings and the transport method will be Wi-Fi. The control port will be same as 8125 as we have on our client on our laptop, and audio source should be left as default. Then we'll go back and we click this play button. When we click this play button, it shows us an IP address here. For this emulator, the Android emulator, it is 172.17.15. okay, we'll minimize it. Then we will open our WO mic client on our laptop. So we will click connection, we'll click on connect, and we will enter the same IP address we have on our smartphone. So right now on my mobile phone, which I cannot show you right now, I have this IP address, just like we have an IP address here. Okay, on my smartphone I have an IP address like this, okay, which I have entered it here. So you want to enter the IP address here, which is on your smartphone, and you click connect. So as you can see, it has instantly connected and it shows it is connected here. So to test things out, there's only one thing left. So head on to this address. The link of it is given in the description as well. So you want to download Audacity. So then you just click the Audacity Windows install and download and install it as well. So once it's installed, we'll head back to our desktop. So you should have an icon like this on your desktop after installing Audacity. So let's go ahead and run it. And now let me just open a new project. Okay, as you can see now, in the microphone we have a W mic device option. Now a new option. This is our mobile phone microphone. The bottom one, this is my standard laptop microphone which I'm using right now, and this is our mobile phone. So let's just select our WO mic device and then click record. So as you can see, now my smartphone is recording my voice, and you will be able to hear this again through my mobile phone. So this is testing smartphone using Wi-Fi 123 123. Let's just stop it and let's hear it back. So as you can see, now my smartphone is recording my voice, and you will be able to hear this again through my mobile phone. So this is testing smartphone using Wi-Fi 123 123. Okay, as you can see, it works. So, and the second process we can use is we disconnect it and then we again connect, and this time using USB. So same on your smartphone, you instead of Wi-Fi, now you choose the option of USB, and same option should be chosen here, and then you click connect and it will be connected instantly. You should connect your mobile with your laptop using a USB micro cable or USB-C type. And that's it. Thank you guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Let's do everything. So in this channel I'm gonna teach you everything, like from dancing to web tutorials to design.